In this video, I'll be showing you how to use same WhatsApp account on two phones. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can link your primary WhatsApp account to a secondary smartphone simultaneously using the official companion mode feature flag. So what you want to do is download the WhatsApp application on your second phone if you haven't already, and then go ahead and open it up. Once you do, what you want to do is on the top right, once you press agree and continue, you want to agree to the terms. Instead of typing in a phone number over here, press the three dots on the top right, and then you're going to see link as companion device. Go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to say scan the code to use WhatsApp on more than one phone. Log into your primary phone every 14 days so that this phone stays connected. So it shows you exactly what to do, but basically all you want to do is open up your WhatsApp on your main phone. Then go over to your settings, go to link devices, then press link a device. It's going to ask you to scan a QR code, and then just scan the QR code that shows up on your screen, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.